And there you have it, a simple guide on how to find the best pillow for neck and shoulder pain. To sum up, when choosing a pillow, consider your sleeping position, the pillow's material and its adjustability. For side sleepers, a thicker pillow is recommended to maintain spinal alignment. Back sleepers might prefer a medium loft pillow, while stomach sleepers might fare well with a flatter pillow or none at all. In terms of material, you can't go wrong with memory foam or latex pillows, as they conform to your head and neck, providing pressure relief. Buckwheat hulls and down pillows are also worth considering. And lastly, the ability to adjust the pillow's filling to customize its loft can be a game changer, especially if you're unsure about the right height for you. There are also specific pillows such as memory foam, latex and water pillows that are often recommended for neck and shoulder pain. Memory foam pillows contour to the shape of your head and neck, providing pressure relief and support. Latex pillows, being naturally hypoallergenic and cooling, are commended by neck pain sufferers. And water pillows, though not as common, offer a unique feature that allows you to adjust the water level inside to customize the firmness of the pillow. But remember, the best pillow is the one that provides you with the most comfort and support. It might take a bit of trial and error, but the reward of a good night's sleep and a pain-free morning is definitely worth it. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more sleep tips. Until next time, sleep tight and wake up light.